Hi, my name is Grant Hobson. I work as a finance analyst. Today I'm going to talk you through some business maths calculations and ratios. How to calculate annual percentage yield. The annual percentage yield represents compounded interest. So if we have an investment where we get 3% interest on it each month, across the full year we actually will generate higher than a 3% return on it because we're getting the interest going into the account each month and getting interest on that. So the annual percentage yield just gives us the calculation for that for the full year, and we'll talk through an example now. Okay, so in terms of the formula, we've got that the annual percentage yield equals 1 plus the rate divided by n, which is the number of periods that we are getting compounded in the year, multiplied by n, less 1 to give us the interest rate. So the first step is to identify the number of compounding periods in the year and the rates. So in this example we're going to compound quarterly, so therefore n equals 4. Obviously if you're doing monthly then n would equal 12, and the rate for this example is going to be 6%. So we're just going to follow the formula through. So first we're going to calculate the r divided by n element. Which is simply 0.06 divided by 4. We're then going to do the next section of that, which is where we add 1 to it, which is quite simple, so that plus 1. We then need to put it to the power of compounding periods, so we said earlier that n was 4, so therefore we need to put it to the power of 4, so we've got 1.02 to the power of 4, gives us 1.06. The final bit of the equation was to take 1 away from this figure, it's simply that, less 1, and that's the equation complete. So as a percentage element we get 6.14%. So the original rate was 6% per month, but at an annual percentage yield we actually get 6.14%, which shows the impact of the compounded interest.